In front of me is HonorPad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. When you're ready, select System and Updates over here. Then tap on Language and Input, Gboard, sorry misclick, and finally Text Correction. Lastly, use gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it, and when your switcher is blue, go back. So when I check now, as you can see, Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!